In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Jira project key and find your project key on Atlassian. If you or your team use Jira for managing tasks and projects, understanding where to locate your project key is crucial. The project key is not only part of the issue prefix, but plays a significant role in identifying issues across your project. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to find your project key effortlessly. First off, you want to start by heading over to the Projects section in the Jira navigation bar. This is your gateway to all the projects you're involved in, making it an essential starting point. Once you're on the project page, you'll see a list of all the projects that you have access to. Take your time here to carefully locate the specific project for which you need the key. Selecting the correct project is vital since each project has its own unique key. Once you've identified and selected your desired project, focus your attention on the top portion of your screen. You'll notice three small dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, situated right next to the project's name. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu that offers various options. This is a handy tool for accessing project-specific features and settings, so remember this spot. Moving on within that menu, you'll want to select Project Settings. Think of Project Settings as the home base for configuring everything project-related, including permissions, notifications, and most importantly for today's purpose, project details. Navigating to Project Settings is a crucial step in uncovering your project's key. Inside the project settings, there's an important area labeled Details. Click on Details because this section houses all the essential project information you need. It is designed to offer an at-a-glance overview of your project's attributes, and this, of course, includes the project key. When you click on Details, take a look within this section as your project key will be clearly displayed here. Ensuring you get the project key right is important for a myriad of reasons, from reporting issues accurately to integrating Jira with other tools. Now, you should have a better understanding of where to find it. As a little tip, whenever you're working with multiple projects, having the project key at your fingertips will make tracking and managing your work much more efficient. That's all there is to it. Locating your Jira project key doesn't have to be daunting, and with these clear steps, you can quickly access it whenever needed. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about navigating Jira or any other queries. Happy project managing!